Hey everybody, it's me, Carson, back with another vlog. I haven't uploaded in a while. I hope you're all okay, staying safe, and staying home, and wearing masks if you have to go out. So anyway, we've set up a little movie, me and the boys. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
What?
Root beer.
Root beer. We love root beer. We've set up a little... We're not sponsored by root beer. We're sponsored by Squarespade. No, I'm just kidding. So, yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe. So we've got a little hurricane movie. We love hurricane movies. I haven't uploaded the first one that I made yet. But hopefully by the time this vlog comes out, I will have. So anyway, so this is our spa. We've drained it, and we're going to turn on the jets really fast. And this is our person. We made him out of plastic bottles. This is his water bottle, and this is a crate. We couldn't really find much stuff. And this is his gas can. And this is his backup generator.
I got all this stuff on my birthday.
Yep.
All that stuff. It's a sandbox.
And this is his chair. And this is what we're going to be using to film. We're going to put you guys in your case, and we're going to be able to film like that. So yeah, anyway, let's get this video started, shall we? I'll quit ranting. So let's put you guys in your cases. The movie starts now.